Check out our newest feature release. We now have a mobile setting for line height in funnels and websites. Introducing mobile responsive line height adjustments for all elements and an enhanced visual appeal of your funnel by customizing line heights separately for desktop and mobile views. Why this matters and how it could help you and your business. Well, now with this update, you can customize the line height for individual elements within your funnel. This is going to allow you to streamline mobile responsiveness by adjusting line heights directly. You'll easily be able to toggle between desktop and mobile view to set line heights perfectly for each view. And this update is going to simplify the design process by making mobile adjustments specific to each and every element. One of the things I really love about this update is I'm not having to mess around with the padding so much. I can use that line height in a way that is much more intuitive to me when I'm going and designing funnels and websites. And because of that, I really think that this is a phenomenal update that you're going to all absolutely love. So let's go ahead and go into sites, then into funnels, and then let's go ahead into a funnel or click on a new funnel. And you can always create from blank or use templates. I like to create from blank on these because it lets me show you guys exactly what I want to be showing you without all of the other stuff involved. So go ahead and enter the funnel. Now, keep in mind that this is also available on websites as well. And once you're inside of the website or the funnel page, it really works exactly the same. So let's go ahead and click on Edit Page. Now, because we're starting from scratch, I'm going to go ahead and talk you through adding a section first. So go ahead and click on the plus button and then the sections and drag over the section width that you would like to utilize. From there, once you've added that section in, you always need to add rows in. So go ahead and select rows and drag those into your section. Now go ahead and select elements and drag the element of your choice into that column. I've gone ahead and just chosen a headline. And now once I am hovering or I've clicked on that headline and it's highlighted in orange, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Advanced tab on the right side. Inside of that Advanced tab, you're going to see this new line height area. You'll also notice in there that when you first go in, you're probably going to be on the desktop view, and that's signified by the desktop icon that's there. So you can go ahead and play with this number, dragging it up or down based on what you need. Now you can also go ahead and select the mobile, which looks like the phone, when you click on what is right next to the line height, which is generally the desktop view. So go ahead and click on that and then select the mobile view. And now you can go ahead and play with the line height specifically for that mobile view. Obviously, the greater the number, the greater the difference between the line height will be within that feature. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.